Welcome. If you want to make your Gmail inbox more efficient and never miss what matters most, setting your inbox to show important first is a smart move. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to put your most critical emails right at the top every time you open Gmail. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your device. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to update. Next, look for the menu icon. That's the three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu, in the top left corner. Tap on it to open up the navigation panel. Now, scroll all the way down until you find Settings. Tap on Settings to see a list of all your email accounts linked to the app. From here, tap on the specific email account you want to customize. This will bring up all the settings for that account. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Inbox. Here, tap on Inbox Type. This is where you can choose how your emails are organized when you open your inbox. A list of different inbox styles will appear. Tap on Important first. This option tells Gmail to automatically sort your emails so that anything marked as important appears right at the top, while everything else is grouped below. Gmail uses smart technology to decide which emails are important, learning from your habits and which messages you interact with most. Once you've selected Important first, you're all set. There's no need to save. Gmail will update your inbox instantly. The next time you check your email, you'll see your most important messages front and center, helping you stay focused and organized. If you ever want to try a different layout, just repeat these steps and pick another inbox type that fits your needs. Thanks for tuning in.